Hi guys, welcome to our channel Tech Bullet. In today's video, I am going to uninstall Microsoft Office completely from my Windows PC. So, before starting the video, let me show you. Here I am logged in with Microsoft 365. The product contains these apps. So, and in my control panel, in programs and in program features, you see Microsoft 365 is exist. So, for remove it without getting any delay, let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
So guys, for completely uninstall Microsoft Office, we are going to use the Microsoft Assistant or support tool that is provided by official Microsoft itself. So first, go for any browser. I am using Chrome, but you can use any browser. And here, search for Microsoft Uninstall tool. Enter. After that, you guys here second official link of Microsoft support. Here you have to click on this one. After that, you guys see uninstall Microsoft from control panel. Guys, this shows for manual, but I am going to use the support tool. So let click on download button and you guys see it's download now. Open this file in folder. You guys see run this as administrator. After that, guys, see it's launching an application. See, this might take few minutes, guys, so be patient. And you guys see here is pop-up created. Do you want to install this application? And here click on install and installation is started. Good. It depends on your internet connection, guys, and system configuration. It may take time to install in your system, so keep that time. And also it create a shortcut for this, where it is here. My Here you can see Microsoft support and recovery assistant. After the preparation complete, you guys see this icon completely. Good. And you guys see again pop-up created of Microsoft support and recovery assistant, and agree that. Make sure you have a stable internet connection that time. Sometimes it may take more time rather than usual because of system configuration. And you guys see, because this support and recovery assistant detect that my system contains Microsoft 365. But if you are getting options for like this, you have to uninstall Microsoft 365 or any another version, drop down comes, so keep that, select that which Microsoft in your system, and I am selecting this one and uninstall it and click on next. And it asks me that you have to save your work before uninstall, so keep that and click on next. Guys, uninstall take more time, so I am skip this part. After completing this, I will back you. Before we continue uninstalling Office, you need to restart your computer. Guys, after restart, now you can see after typing word, there is no word exist in the system, nor Excel exists. Now you see and say simply it's to no. Yes, and submit it. So guys, our Microsoft Office is completely uninstalled. Control panel, and here you guys see there is no Microsoft 365 exist in my system now. So that's good. Guys, the way of uninstalling this by official website is so that a small bit of Microsoft system is not pending in my system, which could further error when we install Microsoft Office again. So that's it for today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.